welcome to another room tour. Today we are on board Queen Mary 2. We are currently in the English Channel and we have the delight of showing you a Q5 Queen's Grills suite. This is stateroom number 9057. So when you first walk into the suite, in the entrance area you will find a number of wardrobes. Inside the first wardrobe you will find a safe and your life jackets, as well as storage for shoes. Alongside this, you will then find what we've been using as the coat wardrobe. Now on the North Transatlantic, we found this really useful as we've brought quite a large number of coats with us. There is additional storage space in the cabin, and we'll get to that a bit later on. Next, we move into the wet bar area. It's fully stocked with wine glasses, champagne glasses, tumblers, tall glasses, champagne flutes, brandy glasses and cocktail glasses. As part of the Queen's Grills experience, you do get included 2 complimentary bottles of either wines or spirits, and those will be replaced throughout the cruise. Alongside that you will find a mini bar which can be stocked with soft drinks, mixers for any cocktails or tall drinks, as well as sparkling and still mineral water. Next to this you'll then find your tea and coffee facilities, so you'll find mugs, cups as well as espresso glasses. There's also some storage space for additional soft drinks. On top of the wet bar you'll also find an illy coffee machine. Decaf and caffeinated coffee pods will be replenished daily, along with a selection of teas. And on cruises in and out of the UK you'll also receive a kettle. Moving into the main living area, we're currently set up for an evening soiree. So your butler, who is provided as part of the Grills experience, will more than happily provide canapes, cocktails and bar service for any evening entertainment that you may have with your guests. There's a number of sitting chairs, a footstool, a writing desk, and the butler will also set this up for breakfast, lunch and dinner, and you can order any meal from the Queen's Grill restaurant to be served by your butler in your stateroom. There's also a large comfortable sofa, as well as a vanity area which features additional storage, as well as pull-out drawers for storing all of your belongings. Included as part of the Grills experience, you're also able to order personalised stationery, which will display the voyage date, crossing, as well as guest information. Also included is your in-suite dining menu, i.e. room service. This is all included as well as part of the Grills experience. Large queen size bed, and you're also able to make use of a concierge service for the pillows, so you're able to order additional pillows from firm to soft, goose down. I think in total there's about 6 to 10 different pillows are available. Additional storage on each of the bedside areas, as well as a large lamp. There is no bedside charging facilities, but there are a large number of both UK, North America and USB fast charging ports dotted throughout the stateroom. If we move out onto the balcony, this being a Q5 suite, it is located in either a midship or mid-aft area of the ship. One of the key advantages of having a balcony suite in this area is there are no lifeboats directly in front of your room. So from bed you're able to see the ocean, and there's no obstruction of your view whatsoever. Loungers, as well as an ottoman and cushions, are provided throughout the crossing, and there is a small storage area for securing cushions during those windy transatlantic crossings. In some of the Queen's Grill suites, the sofa bed does convert into a bed, so you can sleep up to 3 passengers in this particular suite. Moving into the dressing and vanity area, there's a large walk-in wardrobe which features a plethora of hanging space for your clothes, as well as additional drawer space and shelving space. The vanity area features a large mirror, as well as additional UK charging, more drawer space, and a small chair for preparing yourself in front of the mirror. There's also a full-length mirror on this side as well. Moving into the bathroom. The bathroom features a large whirlpool bath, as well as an overhead shower. Penhaligon toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel and body wash are all provided, as well as Penhaligon hand and body lotion and soap. Plenty of storage on either side of the sink area, as well as additional storage below the sink. Complimentary Queen's Grill bathrobes, which are very soft, very plush bathrobes, are provided, and these can be replaced daily upon request. There's then the toilet, and being Queen's Grill as well, you get unique towels which are a softer, more quality product versus the other grades of cabin available on the ship. So that's our tour of a Q5 Queen's Grill suite. If you like this content, please do like, drop us a comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe for future content. Thank you for watching.